Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're going to be diving into one of the most overlooked yet powerful tools in trading, and that is the market fractals. Now, if you have ever struggled with identifying strong support and resistance levels, then this video is for you. Okay, fractals are simple yet highly effective in marking key turning points in the market, okay, helping you refine your entries, and exits with greater accuracy. Most traders ignore them, but after this video you'll see why they are a game changer in support and resistance trading. Now, before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on powerful trading strategies like this. Let us start with the basics. Okay, what exactly are market fractals? Now, a fractal is a simple 5-candle pattern that highlights potential reversal points in the market. Okay? Now, we have an indicator known as fractals. All right, so I'm going to also add that indicator to the chart. Okay, you can see there is an indicator known as fractals, because this indicator can also help you to identify potential reversal points, as you can see on the chart. Okay, but in addition to this indicator, let's just proceed into understanding the fundamentals of the fractals itself. All right, so the fractals pattern actually help you to identify support and resistance zones with more precision, and here's how it works. A bullish fractal forms when the middle candle, all right, when the middle candle has the highest high in a 5-candle sequence. Okay, when the middle candle in a 5-candle sequence, right? All right, let us see if we can find a good example, manually, apart from what the indicator gives us. 1 2 3 4 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so can you see this? Can you see this? This is just an example. 1 2 3 4 5. All right, I'm going to change the color of this rectangle so that we can see the fractal indicator. Okay, so you can see that the fractal indicator appeared on the 3rd candle. Okay, because a bullish fractal forms when the middle candle has the highest high in a 5-candle sequence. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, signaling potential resistance. You can see there is a resistance around here. All right, okay, then a bearish fractal is, it forms when the middle candle has the lowest low. All right, indicating a possible support level. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see that we had a bearish fractal appear. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see the bearish fractal appeared here, right? One, two, three, four, 5. So the 3rd candle had the lowest low, and that we had a bearish fractal indicating a support level. So these fractals occur again and again in all time frames. You can see them, they occur again and again. The indicator automatically identifies the fractals for us. All right, so it makes them a good tool whether you are a scalper, day trader, or swing trader. Now that we understand fractals, let's talk about how they enhance support and resistance trading. So first of all, fractals confirm strong support and resistance zones. Okay, fractals help pinpoint where price has reacted multiple times, making this level stronger. Instead of relying on guesswork, you can use fractals to confirm whether a support or resistance level is valid. Okay, and they help to filter out market noise. Okay, markets often have fake breakouts or false signals, but fractals help reduce uncertainty by confirming true reversal points. All right, and finally, fractals work on any time frame. Whether you trade the 1-minute chart or you trade the daily chart, fractals are consistent across all time frames. Okay, they allow traders to zoom in for scalping or to zoom out for swing trading. Okay, making them an adaptable tool. So how do you actually use fractals in your trading? Here is a step-by-step guide. The first step is to identify key levels using the fractals. So you start by looking for fractals that have formed multiple times around the same price zone, right? Around the same price zone. Now, if you see several fractals appearing at a certain level, it's likely a strong support or resistance level. All right, or rather a strong support or resistance zone. The second step is to wait for price confirmation. Never jump into a trade immediately after spotting a fractal. Okay, wait for price action confirmation, such as a bullish rejection, at support. If you have a bullish rejection at a support, for example, we can see what happened around here. You can see that we had a rejection candle around here. This is a support zone, right? We had a support zone around here, and we had we can see that we had a series of fractals around this support. You can see here, here. So we had a series of fractals around the support, and you can see that here we had a rejection candle. So ensure you get a confirmation. It is very necessary. All right. Once you get a confirmation, like a bullish rejection, as a support, and perhaps some bullish candles showing upward movement, or maybe a bearish rejection, at a resistance, and red candles showing downward movement, then you can get your confirmation, enter your sell trade after you get your bearish confirmation, or enter your buy trade after you get your bullish confirmation. Okay, then the next step is to combine with other indicators. Fractals are even more powerful when combined with moving averages, or RSI, or Fibonacci, retracement, different indicators, right? Just to complement the strategy, to add to the confidence in the signals. All right, it is important when you have confluence. Okay, when you have confluence, when you have multiple indicators telling you to do the same thing, there is a higher chance of that signals playing out. Okay, of that signal playing out. So using multiple confirmations improves your trade accuracy and minimizes your risk. Then the final step is to set smart entries and exits. Fractals can help you refine your entries by signaling where the market might turn. You can also use them to exit your trades. Okay, locking in gains before the market reverses. For example, let's say you are in a buy trade. And you notice this fractal form at the top of this candlestick. Of course, it's going to indicate that a reversal is likely, right? So ideally, you should be exiting your buy trade, or you are in a sell trade, right? And you notice a fractal form at the bottom. Okay, that is a sign to exit your sell trade. Okay, now let us go through a quick example to show how this works in action. Right? Let's imagine that you were trading, all right, a scenario where you are trading the USD CHF. Okay, let's just go to a smaller time frame, okay, for that purpose. Okay, so you are trading the USD CHF on the 1 hour time frame, all right, and you notice multiple fractals. All right, you notice multiple fractals around here. This is going to be a resistance zone. Multiple bearish fractals appearing around this 0.9 level, around the 0.8 to 0.9 zone. Okay, so that signals a strong resistance. All right, so now you notice that price struggles to break above this level, right? You can see that price is struggling to break above this this level, confirming a possible reversal. You can enter a sell trade, placing a stop loss just above the resistance zone. Then as price moves down, right, you can exit at the next support level. The next support level is going to be somewhere around here, right? So you can exit at the very next support level, locking in your trade. Now, by using fractals, you avoid false breakouts and trade with precision. All right, so don't rely on fractals alone. Okay, this is an important tip. Always use fractals with support and resistance, to confirm key levels, and also use higher time frames. The higher the time frame, the more reliable the fractals. All right, and finally, combine with other indicators. Fractals work best when used alongside trend indicators and price action analysis, and that is the power of market fractals in support and resistance trading. This simple yet effective tool can dramatically improve how you identify reversal points and key price levels. If you found this strategy helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights. Let me know in the comments, do you use fractals in your trading? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.